First of all, I would like to acknowledge the Wurundjeri people, the traditional custodian of the land which we have this protest taken place. I would like to pay my respect to the elder past, present, and the emerging. The 27th of March marks the 76th Armed Forces Day back in Myanmar. It is a day when General Aung San and his army turned to resist the Imperial Japanese Army in 1945, which day was called and celebrated in Burma as Resistance Days and later turned into Armed Forces Day. Today, we are here to call that day Anti-Military Dictatorship Day to resist and protest against the military dictatorship who raped the people of Myanmar by using forces. Within my allocated times, I would like to make a few points. Dictator General Min Aung Hlaing and his loyalties are the most inhumane, brutal, heartless, and satanic who slaughtered his own people once they vowed to protect and serve at the military academy in Myanmar. Their actions and atrocities and what they have done to the country is unacceptable in the civilized society. Even children, women, elderly are not spared, and they killed them in a broad daylight. It is a crime against humanity. These perpetrators make their own country a slaughter ground. Therefore, these actions and strategy is using forces to and unarmed civilians so that fear will overwhelm the people. By doing so, they think that they'll keep them in power. It is in all methods and bad words. They will never succeed. Their actions and atrocities have been witnessed by the whole world. There will be a time when these perpetrators will be brought to justice. The courageous people of Myanmar, peace and justice loving people around the world, with your support, we will win this war and end dictatorship in Myanmar once and for all. The courageous people of Myanmar do not give up. When we win this war against this military dictatorship, we will fly a new flag of victory in Yangon and rebuild our country. The meaning of Yangon is end of enemy. This enemy will be ended. With your support of the people around the world, we will win this war and build a new Myanmar. A new Myanmar will be based on federal democracy, equality, justice, and freedom. Look at the history of Myanmar. The leaders always built this country based on religion and race. In the past, Buddhism and Burmese supremacy, a superior race other than the other, a superior religion than the others. It is a wrong philosophy, and that one must end too. But in a new Myanmar, it will be built on a principle of federal democracy and equality. No race will be superior than the others. No religion will be privileged than the others. The smallest village in Chin State, Gaya State, Rakhine State, and Kachin State will have the same privilege as the people in Rangoon, Memyu, and Mandalay. The skin of one's color and the religions of one worship will not be the primary reason for judgment anymore. everyone will have the same equal right in Myanmar. That is the new Myanmar that we are going to build.
That's right.
Friends, let us continue to resist this dictator. Now is their last stronghold. They have nowhere to run in the planet. We will follow them until the gate of hell. Let us look forward to rebuilding the country anew, Myanmar. ကျွန်တော်နေငယ်ပမာလူနဲ့ပြောချင်တယ်ကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီမှာရောက်လာတာဒီစစ်အာဏာရှင်ကိုစစ်တပ်ယုံမကောက်ဘူးကျွန်တော်တို့မြန်မာနိုင်ငံအသစ်ပြန်မွေးဖျားပြီးတော့ပြန်လဲတည်ဆောက်ဖို့ဖြစ်ပါတယ်အရင်တော့မြန်မာအဟောင်းကဘာဖြစ်လဲဆိုတော့သူတို့ကလူမျိုးဘာသာကိုချင်းခံပြီးတော့တည်ဆောက်ခဲ့တယ်မြန်မာအသစ်မှာတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့လူမျိုးဘာသာကိုချင်းခံမတော့အချင်းမခံတော့ဘူး Federal Democracy Equality Freedom Justice အဲ့ဒါကိုအခြေခံပြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့မြန်မာနိုင်ငံကိုပြန်တည်ဆောက်မယ်အသင်းအဆုံးသောကြီးစွာနဲ့အကြီးဆုံးသောမြို့တော်လူတွေရဲ့အခွင့်အရေးကိုတန်းတူမှုရှိရမယ်အဲ့ဒီအတွက်ကျွန်တော်တို့စစ်စိတ်နေတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒီစစ်လူအာဏာရှင်ရဲ့သူတို့ဟာကဘာမှာပြီးစီရမရှိတော့ဘူးဒါနောက်ဆုံးသူတို့ရဲ့ strong hold ဖြစ်နေတယ်နောက်ဆုံးကျွန်တော်တို့လိုက်ပြီးတော့သူတို့ကို justice အမှန်တရားကိုရှိကိုကျွန်တော်တို့သူတို့ကိုပြန်ခေါ်မှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒီတိတ်ပွဲကျွန်တော်တို့အောင်ကိုအောင်ရမယ်အားလုံးကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်